Oh my god, princess vibes are very strong. My big day. This is the most extra video I have ever filmed. Hi guys, what's up? It's Lauren. Welcome back to my channel. This might be the most extra intro that I've ever had. Also, it's pretty echoing here, so apologies for the audio in advance. I feel like I need to put this in bold, highlighted, capital letters for everyone, and then maybe repeat that one more time. I am not engaged. I am not married. I am not getting married. One more time. I am not engaged. I am not married. I am not getting married anytime soon. My Instagram homepage is just like straight up people having babies, people getting engaged, people getting married, as they do when you're in your 20s and 30s. And so I thought that it could be fun to play a little bit of dress up today with some Amazon wedding dresses. And I was also just curious to see what kind of selection of wedding dresses there are on Amazon, especially in an ordering window of about 6 days, which is when I planned this video. You're gonna be shocked, honestly. This is the first one that I have on, and it is so insanely extra. I also have a ton of excess dress at the back, and it's currently clipped up with a hair clip. So we're gonna go on this adventure together of Amazon wedding dresses, and honestly, I'm excited. Thank you to BetterHelp for sponsoring today's video. If you guys listen to the pod, you guys know that they are a massive supporter of Wild Till 9, and you'll also know that I am a huge fan of the services that BetterHelp offers. You guys know that my battle with anxiety is something that I have consistently been very open about, and therapy is a massive part of my anxiety journey, and something that will probably always be part of my anxiety journey. And from you guys, I wanna know if there is anything interfering with your happiness or preventing you from achieving your goals. BetterHelp is a worldwide service that will assess your needs and will match you with your own licensed professional therapist. You can start communicating within 48 hours. It's not a crisis line, and it's not self-help. It's professional counseling done securely online. You can log on to BetterHelp at any time, which is seriously so convenient. Message your counselor and you'll get timely and thoughtful responses. You can schedule video calls, you can schedule phone sessions, and you just get to skip the all-around uncomfortable waiting room of the therapy experience, which in my opinion can be a massive deterrent to even going to therapy, is like the dreaded waiting room. You'll have access to a broad range of expertise in BetterHelp's 15,000 counselor network that may not be available locally for you. BetterHelp is committed to facilitating great therapeutic matches, so they make it easy and free to change counselors anytime. Personally, with BetterHelp, I've changed I think around 4 times until I found the right person for me, and it's more affordable than traditional counseling. You guys know I've spoken to how insanely expensive therapy can be, and there's also financial aid available. BetterHelp wants you to live a happier life today. Visit betterhelp.com/laurDIY. That's betterhelp.com/laurDIY, and join over 1 million people taking charge of their mental health with the help of an experienced professional. So link in the description box. You can get 10% off your first month at betterhelp.com/laurDIY. Let's try on some dresses. Let's just address the elephant in the room, is that I absolutely did rent the most obnoxiously wedding vibe filming space to do this, because why would I try this on in my living room when I could try it on here? So we made a small investment today in the filming space. Okay, so here's our first number. Gonna be honest, I think this is actually listed as a prom dress, but like, does it not give you like really blingy wedding vibes? We've got a little leg moment happening down here. There's something about wearing like billowy amounts of tulle that automatically makes you feel like the bougiest bitch princess. At least like that's how it feels for me. These are a little bigger than I anticipated, and by bigger I don't mean my boobs, I mean like the gems and the little rhinestones. But for $118, like this is a lot of hand-sewn detail. Here's the very glamorous back, where one, I have a lot of back sweat going on, and then also this dress is much too large. So that's what the back looks like. I go back and forth on what kind of wedding dress I envision myself in like 5 years, or whenever that moment of my life happens. And I feel like this is gonna be a fun experiment to see what kind of like fit is good for me. Leg moment, she's cute. I feel like that's necessary even to just go to the bathroom. I am now, I feel like, understanding the bride struggles, and this is just not even close to what I've seen some of my friends get married in. Princess vibes, feeling strong today. I feel like I should rate these with like something more elegant than like stars or mousses.
Champagne glass.
A champagne glass, because you know there's gonna be hella champagne at my own wedding. Out of 10 champagne glasses, maybe like a 6.5. A 6.5, y'all. Get the champagne glass ratings ready. This one, first of all, is $42. Don't let anyone ever tell you that you need multiple thousands of dollars for a pretty wedding dress, because Amazon out here with this $42 super pretty like beachy vibe wedding dress. I've never personally envisioned myself as like a beachy boho type of bride, but this dress is cute as fuck. Here's the back. Look how cute she is. I feel like it's a great moment to show off the back tattoo, which my mom would absolutely hate on my wedding day. Okay, so here is like the bodice area, and I will say the one thing that I don't love is that it cuts off right here from like where the padded inserts are, and it kind of looks like you're wearing a tank top underneath, but you can see the actual, okay, well there's the tag, we'll go to this side. You can see the actual like lace detailing is really, really cute. Let me show you like the train of the dress. It's very pretty. Do I risk the danger of getting on this early in the video? Oh my god, danger, danger, danger. What? How good does that train look? Does it look majestical? It feels majestical. Danger, 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 danger. But like, are the beachy vibes of this dress not just like immaculate? Look how pretty it is. Also, wait, oh my god, wait.
Yeah.
I know, I look like a friend. Oh, bitch. I bought like a veil. I don't think I looked at the specifics of it because like, this is a veil. This is the most extra video I have ever filmed. I feel like I could really freak people out on Instagram right now if I were to be like, my big day. Considering the price and how cute this is, I would give this a solid 7.5 champagne glasses out of 10. This is not my absolute vibe. Like, this is not my dream dress, but she said, beach boho bride, bitch. Y'all, I just took some photos for the thumbnail, and like, if I don't end up as the photo on this seller's page, like this is maybe the prettiest picture I've ever taken in my entire life. I can't decide what I want to do on Instagram if I really want to like spoof people, but I also don't want to get people riled up, and like I really don't want people to bully Jeremy is like the moral of this video. Please don't bully Jeremy. Okay, we've had our first pretty solid miss. I've been really excited about the fact that all of these dresses thus far have had like the built-in booby cup. What I don't want on my wedding day is to be able to see the built-in booby cup. You know exactly where they are. And also granted, this dress was $35.66. I have Lululemon leggings that are 3 times this price. So like, is it cute for the price? Yes, like it's a dress, it really is. And I bought this one specifically because it's the mermaid style, and I really wanted to see like how this shape would look on me. It's not super flattering. I'm learning a lot today. The mermaid cut, it's not for me. It's just like in those photos where it's like what you thought you were getting versus what you did get. Also, incredibly difficult to walk in. And maybe it's because I need like a sky-high heel, but very difficult. Like, feels as if I am Ariel, the unwed little mermaid that doesn't have red hair, that has very processed, bleach blonde, dry, damaged hair. Okay, so based on the price, obviously it's incredibly affordable, but with the overall fit and see-throughness, I feel like I would give this 4 champagne glasses. I would still drink to it, but I would not want to drink in it. This one had so much potential. I ordered not a small enough size. I'm kind of drowning in it. She is very large. She's very large and in charge. But if we were to really snatch in the waist, I mean, these are definitely too big. There's nothing I can do about this. But this is like a pretty cut. Like, I like the top tight bodice, and then I've got tulle and lace. I've got all the layers, and I've also got a car horn honking. This one has major potential though. I like this cut a lot. Anything that's got this big flowy bottom, like the princess vibes are so strong. They are so immediately strong. It is unreal. I feel like Cinderella. I feel like Asian Cinderella. Backing up, all of me, backing up. The silhouette of this is so pretty. I don't know if I love these little shoulder thingies, the shoulder situation here. I don't know if that's for me, but like, this is everything. I wish a little more structure in here, but this is really pretty lace. I'm a big fan. This video is so fun. Let me know if we should do a part 2 from like Wish or eBay or even like thrifted. I am going to obviously donate all of these dresses afterwards. I feel like they can go to a better home. They can have their own special day. So these will obviously all be going to not the person who's honking that horn. You do not get a wedding dress. Wow. The silhouette of this gets an 8 out of 10. The actual dress itself, because like I'm dumb and didn't order the right size, 6 out of 10. The silhouette, 8 out of 10. Okay, Asian Cinderella, she's back. Okay, this one fits so well. Like the princess vibes are so strong. And also, oh my god, the highlight of this dress is the back. Look how cute this like corset detailing is. It like goes right down to the booty crack in like corset ties, just so pretty. I feel like what I'm learning right now is I don't love the bodice that goes like here. I wish it cut kind of like here, I think, like more at the waist and less of on the hips. It's not flattering because like I've still got a waist, but I wish it cut a little bit higher up. But like, oh my god, princess vibes are very strong. This might be the most fun dress that I've tried on. Like it's got the most spin to it, the most tulle, the most volume, the best fit. I will say these little sequins, they're like really cutting and chafing into the undersides of my arms. Oh, also the cutest part of this dress is like the beaded sequins. They are flowers. I literally feel like my glass slipper. My glass slipper. Wow. Wow, living my Amazon bride dreams right now. Honestly, this might be my favorite one so far. Aside from not loving this little V here, it really fits well. $100? Are you kidding me? For the detailing that you get here and in here, like that is unreal. 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 champagne glasses. Okay, so I messed up the ordering of this last little 2-piece creative situation. I love these like lace and beaded corset style dresses, and so I was like, okay, what if I order like a lace bodysuit and then get like a really big tulle skirt that would just go on top? Got so excited ordering the top half of this like creative 2-piece problem solving that I forgot to order the bottom half, the main portion, the big tulle skirt. So there's a possible creative solution if you're looking for a similar dress that's just outside of your budget to do something like this, because this was I think $20 on Amazon, and then do like a big tulle skirt, because I was so excited. I was like, this is gonna be my 10 out of 10. This is gonna be it. But simply put, I slipped up, I forgot to make the order, and in our minds we can just imagine that that is our 10 out of 10. Okay, I feel like I couldn't finish the video without giving the bodysuit its full moment, so I had enough time to just edit this in at the end. I know the audio is gonna be like so much better quality here without the echo of like the traffic of downtown LA, but this is my favorite by far. I wouldn't obviously opt for a 2-piece if I had the opportunity to like have this all as one, but personally, in the way of my own personal style, this is the closest to I think what I envision myself in. And again, like this is a $15 bodysuit off Amazon. This was $30. It's giving me like Berta wedding dress designer, but on a budget. Berta on a budget, but like this is pretty. This is really pretty. I might be the literal only one who thinks that, and I don't know. I'm a fan though. 10 out of 10 champagne glasses. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see a part 2 and where I should get my next round of dresses from. Excited to donate all of these dresses to a hopefully wedding in someone else's life. I will see you guys on Tuesday for a new episode of Wild Till 9, and again next Sunday for another video. Bye guys.